Mhm.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mia. We're back. All right. What did you do, Mia? Did you do number one or number two? I mean, because your mom said you were in the bathroom, right? Okay. Did you do number one or number two? You know what I mean to say? One and two?
No.
Okay. Number one is that you just peed. Okay. Like, Number two is you pooped. Did you poop, Mia?
No.
So you just did number one, right? Okay. Yeah. So don't forget number one and number two, what they mean. All right. You say, teacher, I did number one. Can you say it?
Teacher, I did number one.
You know what it means, right? Yes, okay. You okay? Get it? All right. Anyway, Mia, so you learned something today, all right? Okay, so let's continue, Mia, with the next part. With our lesson. I always look for it. Hold on, Mia. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Hold on, Mia. Oh, it's hard. Untitled. Okay. So we are now going to uh write a letter in the box. All right. So let's have the example. Mia, tell me where the brush or the comb is, Mia. It's
The
on the
brush
mhm,
is on the shelf next to David's bed and
next to the bed. Okay, it's okay, Mia. It's on the shelf next to the
next to the
bed.
bed. The brush is
Mm.
on the shelf next to the bed.
Right. The brush or it's on the shelf next to the bed. All right. Okay, what about the stamps? Where
The
are the
stamp
stamps?
the stamps is on the table next to Mom's diary.
Okay. All right. Where is it? I cannot see it. Okay. Next to the table is the mom's diary.
Is on the table next to Mom's bed.
And where is the bed? Here. Right? Okay. All right. Picture letter H. Right, Mia?
Yes,
Okay. So yeah. All right. That's right, Mia. They are, teacher will write, on the desk, under the window, in the bedroom, next to the next to mom's diary, right? Okay. All right. Next, number 3, third picture, the soap. Where is the soap?
The soap is on the shelf.
Mm-hmm.
On the shelf.
On the shelf in the
Next
bathroom.
in the bathroom, next to
Yeah.
the shower.
Next
In the
to
toilet.
the, all right. Next to the shower, it's letter C, right? Okay, let me just write, Mia. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. Okay. On the shelf next to the shower. Teacher will write. I have to write, Mia. It's on the shelf next to the shower in the bathroom, right? Okay, next. The sandwiches, where are they?
They are
Mhm.
on
In a
the
bag?
on the back next to the fridge.
Yes, right. Okay, they are in a bag next to the fridge. Okay, that is this picture here. Letter E. All right, next. What about mom's necklace?
Mom's
It,
necklace is on the table next to the magazine.
yes, here on the table next to the magazine in the living room. Right, Mia? Okay, so wait a minute. It's on. Okay, picture letter F. Okay, and the car keys, where are they, Mia?
They are
Uh-huh.
they are on the table in the hall next to the phone. The
Yeah,
gray phone.
next to the telephone. Yes, they are under the table next to the telephone, right? In the hallway. Finished, Mia. Yay. Letter D. Bravo. Okay, let's read one more time, Mia. Is that okay? All right. Tell me where the brush is, Mia. Where is the
The
brush?
brush is
It's
on the shelf next to the bed.
okay. What about the stamps?
The stamps are
Under the table.
on the table next to the dining.
Yeah. Should I say on the table or under the table?
On.
On the table? On the table. Okay. On the table, next to the telephone, in the hallway. How about the soap? It's on.
It's on the shelf next to the shower.
In the bathroom. Okay, good. What about the sandwiches?
The sandwiches are in the bag next to the fridge.
Yeah, you can say you can start with they are, right? Okay. Next, what about the necklace? It's on the
The necklace is on the table in the living room next to the magazine.
yeah, to the next to the magazine in the living room. All right. And the last is the keys. Car keys. They are on the
They are on the desk under the window.
okay. Next
They,
to the
the,
to
the
the
keys are on the table next to the gray cell phone.
oh, I guess next to the diary in the bedroom, Mia, right? Okay, which one? Picture, letter D, right? Okay, in the bedroom. Okay, did you understand, Mia? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so done with this activity. Take note of the sentences. Next page now. Page The next page rather is page 12. And it's a new unit, Mia, right? Okay.
Yes.
Unit 2. Well, we're done with unit 1, Mia. All right. Congratulations. Now let's proceed to the next lesson. It's unit 2 and it's entitled da-da-da. Okay, let us read, Mia. I can't see. Why it's not showing up? Okay, there. Okay, can you read for me? Going to. Eh? Why is it uploading? What is taking it so long? Ah, Mia. Okay, let's have this. Please read Mia the title.
Going to town.
Going to town. All right. Okay, so before we continue, Mia, let us talk about the picture. What can you see here?
I can see a
Mm-hmm.
pic. I can see a map.
A map. That's right. Okay, perfect. And then in this map or on this map, we can see different places of their town, of Harry and Holly's town. Right, Mia? Okay. Yes. All right. So in here, Mia, we're going to come on. Yeah. Okay, we're going to fill or find the places on the map and number the words. Okay, so let us read Holly's dialogue first. Okay, I will be Harry and Holly's dialogue. I will be Holly. You will be, again, take
Amy.
two. I will be Harry. You will be Holly. All right. Okay, so let's go. Here's the map of the town where we live. Next.
These are all the things you can find in the center of our town.
Yeah, in the center of our town. Okay, so let us have the example. The first word, please read, Mia. Uni.
University.
University. Okay, which letter is university, Mia? Picture number
It's a 10.
10 here. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, baby.
My mom teaches in a university.
Wow! So your mom is a university professor, right, Mia?
Yes,
Wow, that's good to
yes,
know.
yes. She is a teacher in the university.
Yeah, she is a teacher, or you call the teacher in a university professor, Mia. Okay? You call the teacher in a university professor. So she is a university professor, right? Wow, I did not know. What now? What does your mom teach? Mia, what subject? What class? Do you know?
No,
I don't know. Oh, I see. Your mom is a university professor. Thank you for letting me know, for sharing it with me, Mia. Okay, next word, number 2. Please read, Mia.
number 2
Is
airport.
airport. Let us find the airport.
One.
Number one. Yeah. Have you been to an airport, Mia?
No,
No, you haven't. I'll say no, I haven't.
no, I
No, I
haven't.
haven't. Okay, I see. Next, picture number, word number 3. Please read, Mia.
Taxi.
Taxi, that is picture number
7.
Yes. Okay. Picture number 7. No, 21 actually, Mia. This one, I saw it right here. Oh, can you see? A black one, a black taxi, right? Can you see it, Mia? Mm. In the Philippines, we have white and yellow taxis. What about in Vietnam, Mia? What color are the taxis in Vietnam?
Different colors.
Like what color? They are
Sometimes they are.
in Philippines?
Gray or
Oh,
gray
gray
or
or white. Okay. See, in here, white and yellow. Right? Okay. Anyway, fourth word. Number 4, traffic. Number
15.
15. Oh my. There is a bad traffic. Correct. All right. The answer on your book. Next word rather, bicycles.
Bicycle, number 17.
17. Right. Next word, ambulance.
Ambulance, number 5.
Number 5. Right. Fire engine.
Number 18.
18. Yeah. Fire engine is British English, Mia, right? In American English, it's how we call it, fire truck. Right, Mia? Yes? Fire engine in American English, fire in British English, fire truck in American English. Okay, next word next word now, Mia. Hotel.
Hotel, number 3.
Yes, number 3. All right. Next number or word, fire station.
Number 19.
Okay. And what do you say? 13?
19.
19. Oh, why, why is your voice too loud? Mia, sorry, because sometimes I don't understand. Well, I don't know why. I just want to confirm if I hear it correct, if I heard it right. Okay. Next word, police station.
Police station, number
Number. Okay.
I can't see the police station.
All right. So I'll give you a clue. It's next to the museum.
Number
This is the museum, number 9.
7.
7. All right. Okay, that's a fire station. Okay,
Police.
next. Railway. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, Mia. Police.
It's a police station.
Yeah, it's a police station. Okay, next word rather. Railway station. 11. Motorway. Motorway. It's like a highway.
20.
It's like a highway. It's like a road. It's next to the hotel.
Number 6.
Yes. All right. Motorway or highway in American English. Okay, next word, museum.
Number 9.
9. Okay. Factory. It's on the right.
Number
on the right, Mia.
Number 20.
Yes, that's a factory. Yeah, number 20. Next word. Chemists.
Number 14.
14, right. Skyscrapers.
Where is it?
Those are like big, tall buildings.
4.
4. Do you know skyscraper, Mia?
No.
Like a tall building.
Very tall building.
Tall building. Sorry, what?
A very tall building.
Very tall building. Yes. Okay. Next word, sky. Very
Yep.
easy.
Number 2.
2. Yeah. Okay. Next word, stadium.
12.
12. Okay. Next, post office.
16.
Sorry. Nope. It's next to the stadium.
13.
13. Yes. All right. Okay. Next word, hills.
Hill. Number.
On the right. Upper right. Upper right.
What is it?
Below Harry and Holly's pictures.
8.
Hills. 8. Yes. And bank.
Bank. Number 16.
16. Yay. Very good, Mia. You
Because
were
teacher, I recognize number 16 is a
Why?
bank because I
Of
see
the
a euro.
currency, right? Euro currency, money currency, right, Mia? You recognized it as a bank because you saw the money currency. Wow, very good, Mia. All right. Okay, so Mia, unfortunately, we are out of time. Oh my. Okay, but don't you worry, Mia. We are just going to continue our lesson next meeting. Our next meeting with this lesson is on Monday. But I will see you again on Wednesday, Mia, right?
Why?
On Wednesday. You have a class with me on Thursday. Did I say Wednesday? Thursday. Yeah, because you have a writing class with teacher. And on Wednesday we have a different book too, which I will recommend on Thursday as well. All right, Mia? Okay. Yeah. All right, Mia, homework. What is your homework? Okay, is that okay if you will make an essay, Mia? Make an essay about your town. All right, Mia?
What was an essay? What was an essay?
It's like a paragraph, Mia, like a story. Okay. Okay, just 2 to 5 sentences.
Sentences.
All right. It's like a story, Mia, like this. All right. About your town. Okay, Mia? And I will check that on Monday. Yes, all right, Mia. On Thursday, we will study a new book, but yeah, I will have to check first and then I will send you a copy of it. All right? Okay. Mia, did you learn something from our lesson? Did you understand? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So there you go. Good job, Mia. Keep it up. Always study hard. Talk to you on Thursday. Have a great night. Bye-bye, Mia.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.